Enter your password to access your account securely and get started. This is your account. Click here to proceed to the next step. Tap the 3 dots on the right side to move to the next step. Click on Reveal Secret Recovery Phrase to continue. To reveal your secret recovery phrase, answer the 2 security questions correctly. Answer the security questions correctly. That's right. No one can recover your secret phrase for you. Click Continue. Answer the security questions correctly. Correct. Sharing your secret recovery phrase is never a good idea. Click Continue. Now re-enter your password. Press and hold the button to reveal your SRP. Write down your secret recovery phrase and store it in a secure place that only you can access. This is the complete process to recover your secret phrase.